Alright guys, we are here at Carlisle Auctions. Register to bid today. We walked all day yesterday.
He's gonna have carpal tunnel.
I do already have it. I got it in my elbow. Right, guys, we're back up here at Carlisle. First thing in the morning, guys. This is the next day. If you guys are joining, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm back with another video here, guys. Live and direct. We're right here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and we're having an awesome time here, guys. We're gonna be here for several days. And yesterday, I hope you guys watched the video from yesterday and stuff, guys. And if you have not watched the video, go back and check the video out, guys. We're just basically walking around, touring Carlisle. They having a car show, swap meet, one of the largest swap meets that I have ever been to. But this is the second time I've been here, so this is a treat for me, a treat for us guys watching and everything. So, but like I said, we're just gonna be walking around, showing the different swap meet items, what they have to offer here, and we're also gonna be going, probably walking around to a nice little car, I guess a car show. They actually have it, they call it a car corral. So these are cars pulling in as we speak here and stuff. You got a Camaro SS, guys, awesome little vehicle and stuff. So this is what we're going to be seeing and looking at today. Oh man, I kind of like that trailer right there. I love to have that trailer. So this is what little Corvette up there. So this is what type of things that we'll be seeing and viewing today, guys. So hey, let's go ahead and see, and we're gonna walk around. Actually, we basically walked the whole yard yesterday, and today we're probably walking over the hill where we get a lot of our body parts at, truck parts, cabs, all original OEM type stuff, and that's in that direction back over there. That's a little wagon here. That's pretty neat right there. Look, that's probably a, what is it, Suburban Chevrolet. And that's a nice little wagon, ain't it? The Chevrolet there?
Yeah.
I think it's Suburban, ain't it? Yeah, Suburban.
That's 3M too. That's M3. I wish I could have to carry it.
You put my backpack.
I'll bring my truck up here.
Yeah, that'd be clean.
I'll bring my truck up here and get me some. That'd be the smartest move. That's what I'll do. I'll just bring my truck up. We won't be in here anyway. You never know.
Yeah, I could definitely get some more of that there.
Thanks again.
That's good stuff there.
We'll be in here anyway, boys.
No, I know what you're talking about. Yes, no, I don't have it.
Nah, that guy there. See, that's nothing. Tell me I need those lights too. They go.
Little pieces.
All right, let me adjust this baby here. Hey, are you guys having a blast? Are you guys having a good time today? I know I am, man. I tell you what, I'm about wore out though. The last 2 days we've been walking and spending and walking. But I brought me some cool tools. I got me some good deals on some DeWalt, so I'm pretty happy. Got impact, drill and stuff. So hey guys, can't get no better than that here, man. But anyway, just gonna show you some of these cool stuff, guys, that we have here. Let's take a little walk in here. That's cool. Get everything you need. Here goes some old handles.
Yeah.
Old pump handles.
There's a couple old ones.
Yeah. Another oil can holder.
Yeah.
I like that. I don't like that price.
How much is it?
$5.25.
I looked for years for mine. I only found one.
Do we really need all this stuff? More wheels. Got some cool signs. Got a nice dash right there. Yeah, there is. I like how you got that bed back there. It's slick. So next, we're just gonna go and pick up our parts
You should have. You remember?
and stuff, and we're gonna call just a morning. It's getting a little late, so we got a road trip ahead of us. It'll take us about 6 hours to get home. Of course, the traffic will be a lot worse because we're leaving in the evening time. Hey, don't forget, if I didn't tell you guys, don't forget, man, make sure you guys hit that like button down there. Give me some likes on this video here. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe. If you're watching this video, why not? You might as well go ahead and subscribe if you're watching it already. All this cool stuff here, guys.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah. Yep, I got the side mirrors. Yep, I got those already.
You got the door things?
Oh no, I don't.
You don't have that. You got the doors?
I'm about to turn you guys off here. See here. This may be. They look like they're in pretty good shape too. How much for your door trim?
The door trim, is there no marking on it?
I don't see it.
What were you interested in, all of them?
No, two.
No, just two of them.
Two? Right.
Left,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hold on, let me check with my friend.
All right, we're gonna get a price here, guys.
A lot of the stuff's marked. I thought he would mark that. Bear with me a second here while my phone warms up.
I forgot about those bumpers too.
Move it right and left, Jones.
They're in pretty decent shape.
Maybe you guys want to do, I don't care.
Turn you guys back on.
That's like I get stuff cheap. I don't understand.
Nah, trust me, I really don't. So we copped this here, guys. We got us some window frames. These things here cost like $99 a piece, brand new, and I'm gonna paint them. So once we scuff them up and spray a little paint on it, you won't be able to tell. They'll look brand new. They'll look brand new. Ron here, I tell you what, old Counts, he got an eye for stuff. I would have missed that. Yeah, I would have missed that. So.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever seen any stuff like this, man? All this stuff here, man, all this cool stuff in one place. It's hard to believe. We got some door panels over here. Look at me some. How you doing, brother? Let's see what we got here. I think this may be something I need here. Hey, sir. Is this your stuff here?
Yeah.
Is this for 55 First Series?
Yes.
It is? You got anything? You got a glove box or anything?
No, I don't have the glove box. Glove box is a flat. It ain't like the other ones. It's a flat piece.
Is there anything missing with this?
No, that's the whole ashtray.
Okay. How much is this?
There.
How much is that?
I think it's written on the side 35, but
Oh.
give me 30, Em. I think it was written on it.
Yeah.
Give me 30. I'll tell you what. Give me 25.
All right. I do that. I may see something. So you say you didn't have any glove boxes, right?
No, your glove box will be smooth like.
Yeah.
It's different
Right.
on yours.
Oh, that's for the 53 there. Yeah. Yeah. I've been... All right, guys. So we found another piece that we was looking for, which is awesome, man. I tell you what. I'm getting everything on my list. So far, we're getting everything on our list, man. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you already been watching my videos, guys, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. A lot of good material over here. And don't forget, guys, we're going for 500 subs, okay? That'll be my next giveaway. And I appreciate you guys watching all of my videos and stuff. I really thank you guys. We got to 200 pretty fast, so I think we can get 500 pretty fast, guys. So
Grab them bumpers there, boys.
yeah, let's get them. Get these bumpers. About to get these pieces here chromed. Get that one here. Yep. Oh. These pieces getting chrome. And we're picking up some chrome pieces. All right, any more in there?
I think that's it.
All these pieces here getting chrome, and we're picking up a bumper that got chrome going over here to Bumper Boys, man. These are guys that do all of our chroming and stuff. Look at that. Ron made that piece, he getting chrome. Come back here.
I got to fix the bumper off.
Oh, wow. This is all the pieces people coming and getting, picking up. How you doing? This is everything that these guys bring up here to the show, man. Yeah, man. This is stuff they chrome for people, and then they come and pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So, and I think Ron got a box that we got to pick up that they chrome for us. See, so. Oh, let's hear, man. So let's go back over here and see everything that we brought. Let's go over here and see everything that we're taking home. We actually just went around all the places to pick up all the stuff that we brought yesterday. So we're gonna go over here and see everything, man. I tell you, we did good. We did good. We brought an old gas pump here. Brought an old gas pump. We store these things here. And that right there is actually a kerosene pump, but we can turn them into gas pumps. Alright, so these are all kinds of parts that we need for our projects, man. Doors, brand new bumpers, brand new grills. So this is gonna be a good project for us, man, when we get home. So, and then we gotta go get the glass. We just I think some cap corners for count, and that'll be it. Hey man, so this is gonna be the end of this video. This is actually the end of the Carlisle trip, guys. We went on a road trip for a couple of days. So hey, I just want to thanks for you guys coming along with us, hanging out and stuff. And we made a lot of good content here, man. We spent a lot of money, but it's been fun doing it and stuff. So thanks for just watching the videos, man. Keep watching these videos. As long as you guys are watching them, I'm gonna keep producing them. And you know what, if you ain't watching them, I'm still gonna be producing them anyway, because it's something that's fun, something I love to do. So thanks for subscribing to my channel, guys. If you guys are already watching these videos, I want you to go ahead and like and share. And you know, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, guys. If you're watching all these videos and stuff, go ahead and support me. I'll continue putting out good product and stuff. And like I tell people, man, let's try to get to that 500 subs by the end of the year. I know we can do it. You guys have really been a big support, you know, for me and stuff. So hey, I want to support you guys back, and we'll do a little nice giveaway once we reach that 500. So let's try. So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here, and this is gonna be the end of this video. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.